Thank you so much, Rochelle, and good evening, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. I am so excited to see such a full room, to see so many friends and colleagues, and it's a real delight to welcome you to a celebration. This is a celebration this evening that we're calling Digital at UNGA. Building on the success of our SDG digital events, we wanted to bring everybody together around something simple, but yet very powerful. And it's around a deep conviction that I know you all share, that digital technologies can be a force for good. They can be engines of prosperity for people and our planet, and catalysts for dignity, opportunity, and hope. You are about to witness some incredible firsthand examples of that this evening. And you'll have a chance not only tonight, but throughout the rest of this week, where we are showcasing our affiliate programs at this Digital at UNGA, happening all over New York City. And each one of those affiliate events, and of course tonight as well, will be showcasing living examples of digital connecting, uplifting, and empowering lives and livelihoods. Our goal is to spotlight the voices and the actions driving responsible digital innovation from every sector and every region of the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, a couple of days ago, the Secretary General addressed the media to talk about High Level Week. He challenged us to make this week a week of solutions that put humanity at the very center of technological change. Digital at UNGA is rising to that challenge right here, right now. Tonight, you're going to meet some of those heroes in this room, putting digital at the service of global progress every day, everywhere around the world. Their stories are complemented by the Digit All Voices campaign that brings all kinds of ideas, that brings questions, that raises concerns, and also hopes that people have about technology in this global conversation. So my personal hope is that we can meaningfully connect the 2.6 billion people that are still offline, and that we can achieve sustainable digital transformation for everyone, everywhere in this decade. So that 80 years from now, I won't be here, but 80 years from now, when we celebrate the 160th anniversary of the United Nations here, or maybe in a virtual world, connected maybe by 13G, maybe, Yoki? 13G networks, maybe based on the moon or some distant planet. But we want that in the future, we can look back at this very moment in history, and we can look back at this moment with pride, knowing that we had solutions with humanity at the core all along the way. And of course, that we had the courage to shape our shared digital future together. So tonight, let's listen with curiosity, let's celebrate with joy, and with that, I am absolutely delighted to officially open Digital at UNGA 2025. And I would like, thank you. And I want to hand the floor to my friend and colleague, Howleen, who is the co-host of this evening's festivities and the acting administrator of UNDP. Over to you, Howleen. Thank you.